So how do you mentor junior attorneys
So
navigating emotionally demanding fields?
yes, we have 5 associate attorneys in our department here, and more in other departments, but in my family law team, I try to bring them into calls and meetings with clients so they hear how I interact with clients and how I kind of handle some of, a lot of times clients are asking similar questions we've been talking about today. And, we talk through different strategies. A tough part of our job is dealing with difficult opposing counsel on the other side. Sometimes you have somebody on the other side of a case who can be really difficult, and that can be really stressful. It can be hard. Obviously, the people who are getting divorced are stressed. They're usually out of their minds with stress, and I think everybody can understand that and empathize with that to a certain extent, but it's difficult. Sometimes the nastiness of opposing counsel can be one of the more stressful things in my practice area. Gonna get some thick skin.
I'm laughing because I went for a family court proceedings and the lawyer for the respondent was almost punching the other in court, and that would be contempt of court.
Yes.
So that's why I'm laughing because
It can be a very stressful job, and people respond to stress in different ways.
That's true. So, what has practicing family law taught you about resilience and human relationships? Because this ties in neatly with it.
Yeah, I think that, I've seen so many people get on the other side and go on to the next chapter and rebuild happier life for their children. And so that is really rewarding to see it kind of come up and see that, that children that were subject of the case are now graduating from college or, accomplishing big things. And so I think that people do get better. It really is an opportunity to start a new chapter and to do it on your own terms, and I see that every single day. I just know that I only get the part of the story when they're really in this purgatory of the divorce where they don't see the next chapter often. It's really hard to visualize what it'll be like after the divorce. Where am I going to live? What's going to happen with my kids? How am I going to pay for things? All of those things can be unknowns for a while. If people get back on their feet, it takes some time. High conflict custody cases can simmer down. I've seen it over and over again. I've seen it go the other way as well, but it can get better once the lawyers are out of the picture. Obviously, and out of the picture, and it helps, de-escalate things once the divorce is final.
Thank you.